Guys, it's John from J.B.D Hobbies and Interests. We're just going to go out on a little expedition, have a good old explore. Just leaving my drum and bass and we're going to have a look. Job! Bit of a recap, we're on the path that we're going to and yeah, going to explore up to the canyon bit where these
railway cart things are.
Yeah, and gonna see what there is up there.
So, let's rock and roll, guys.
Job.
Babe. Here now, so yes, let's just get over.
Go!
Right, we'll see you if we find the train cart. Yeah, babe. Guys, we're just coming up to the first carriage. It's going to be a bit of a hard job to get in there. Either it's a hut or it's a carriage, but it's been shot up really bad by the looks of it.
No, it's got a hole in the top bit. I think we can keep it.
Can we get in?
What I remember, I mean, I ain't been in it for years.
Yeah, this is a carriage. We have to get around the other side. We'll see you around the other side, guys. Right, guys, I'm just coming up on it now. There's two. John, they've put them together! Right, there's two here. Make sure it's safe. Right, there's a hole, so I'll get over this way. Just make sure there's nothing bad. Look down in there. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but I'm going to get down in there. So you'll see there. Hello guys, well, I'm in here. There's just loads of stuff in here, I don't know. Well, not loads. There's like a door for like some sort of table thing. There's some other gloves in here or something, I don't know. They're all melted. All disgusting. Some old cooker or something there. And I think there was a bog in here, I'm not sure. So, what have you got to say, John?
Well, not a lot. Been vandalised, ain't it?
Mm.
Vandalised. People dumping stuff in there.
So yeah.
I think it was used for the shoot. I think that's what it was used for, a shoot. They've done shooting up here. Pheasants and that.
So, yeah, so that's that. Nothing really in this one, but we're going to have a look in the next one. Maybe there's some stuff in there. Yeah. Hi guys, so this is the second one, and well, not really much to see, just a bit collapsed in and that. I don't know if you just check if there's no cobwebs, because I don't want no spiders on me. Bit rotten, as you can see, nothing really down there, it's just a bit of just wood. And that's it guys, so yeah.
Yeah guys, we're back here in this bit. It's a box container this, used for shoots and that. So a bit rusted out. Probably haven't been used for a while. Did clay pigeons up here shooting and that, so. But yeah, we'll just have a little mooch around, see what other bits there are. I believe this is war. I think this is a wartime thing. This dugout or something like that. There's a concrete base down here we can have a look at and take a few more pictures and then see how we go. So we're on this bit, not that far from where we just was. We've got this bit, this is where I say it looks a bit military, because it's been dug out. There's a concrete base there, so I don't know if it's a water tank or another cage. But yeah, it definitely looks a bit ominous, doesn't it? Definitely, you know, definitely not natural. And you know, on this whole deal, there was some military manoeuvres up here, so in the Second World War. So. Probably something like that went on up here. Guys, just finishing up from coming back from the railway carriages, and been a good day out. Nice jolly jaunt through the countryside. So for me and Benj.
Yeah, it's been a good day, guys. Pretty cool exploring them train carriages. So we'll see you next time.
Drop.